Hey everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick here, and I thought we'd go over some whips today. I don't really have any finished projects right now, but I do have a few whips that I thought we could go over. And with all of the craziness and anxiety-provoking news lately, I've actually been crocheting quite a bit because it helps me to relax. So hopefully it helps you to relax too. And so we're going to set all that aside for now and then just take a look at what I've got. So the first thing I've got is this silly project that I started with my sister a few weeks ago. My latch hook. So funny. I haven't done latch hook since middle school, but it's very colorful, which I love. And I think eventually it will be a nice pillow. So that's just kind of silliness, but it is fun. And you can listen to a book or watch TV or whatever while you're working on it. So much fun. That's number one. Project number two. At the end of my last video, I said I was going to be starting a baby blanket using granny squares. So I've got two of the colors done. Got the light pink done and the dark pink. And I've just started my favorite color, the bright green. So it's a neat pattern. I like the closed granny square. Hopefully you're not hearing too much traffic. We're on the back porch today because it's so nice. It's like 50 degrees and sunny and the sky's so blue. Just had to get outside. So my buddy Pete, as always, is helping me out. He seems to have become my cameraman. So thank you, Pete. All right, so I have one more whip to show you. And this one's kind of, it kind of came out of nowhere. Someone who's very special to my heart and close to me just moved into his new apartment, and I wanted to do something special for him as a housewarming. And there goes another car. And I also had a ton of leftovers, tons of scraps. So I thought I'll make him a scrappy blanket. So I don't know what his favorite color is, but I'm guessing that I've got it covered. Because I think there's every color of the rainbow in this blanket. Oh, and I dropped the ball of yarn. It's huge. I'll hold it up and back. I don't know. I don't know if you can see the whole thing. But I love all of the colors. I just love them. So I was planning to give it to him today, but trying to keep our distance and stay at home, as we've been instructed to do, kind of stay home and keep your social distance. So he'll have to wait a few weeks to get it. But that's okay. I'm sure he won't mind. And it'll give me time to put a nice border on it. I think it's just about done. I'll have to measure it to be sure. So that is all I have for whips this week. Again, though, this is a pretty good size whip I just started it last Saturday. So it's been a week and one day. And I haven't worked on it today. I've been doing house cleaning today. So that's all I've got for whips. I hope to see you again next week, and hopefully this one will be done, I'm sure. And maybe even the granny square one will be done, and I'll have that lined and ready to show you. So with that, I'm gonna say see you later, and I'll talk to you again next week. And I hope everybody has a safe week and follows the instructions of your local health officials, and we'll get through this thing. We're all in it together. So see you later.